The incredible world of eagles. Eagles are renowned for their incredible vision, which is 4 to 8 times stronger than that of humans. Their sharp eyesight helps them spot prey from incredible distances, making them exceptional hunters. Eagles have excellent aerial acrobatic skills. They can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. Some species, like the bald eagle, are known for their remarkable fishing abilities. Eagles are expert nest builders. They construct large, sturdy nests called eyries, usually perched high up in trees or on cliff ledges. Eagles are symbols of power and freedom in many cultures. In some countries, they hold great cultural and spiritual significance. Eagles are truly remarkable creatures, embodying the essence of power, grace, and untamed beauty.